Hello everyone, this is Tech Dojo and welcome to our video.
Okay, so dito po tayo sa PC na to, no? Okay, so remember na demo ko po kanina, pakita ko sa inyo sa video na connected po siya dyan. So as you can see, okay, merong internet access po yung computer na to. Okay, to check kung meron po tayong internet, okay, going to launch a browser. Okay, tapos speed test. Then, hanapin po natin speed test by Ookla. Click po natin siya. Then, syempre yung ISP ay Globe. Dapat Globe din po yung for testing server natin. So, click lang po natin yung Go para matest po natin connectivity. Okay, as we can see, nakita nyo po, meron pong internet ang PC. Okay, so as we can see, kita natin, no? Meron siyang indicator na connected po sa internet tong isang PC na to. So, ito yung PC kanina. May internet po siya. Ito naman yung kabilang PC. May internet. Okay, so double check po ulit natin. Tayong Microsoft Edge. Tapos, speed test po tayo. Speed test by Ookla. Then, so, ISP Globe. Palit natin ng Globe po tayo din. Tingnan natin kung may supply. So, as we can see, meron siyang supply ng internet. Okay. So, upload speed is pwede pumalo ng at least 85 Mbps. 87. Okay. Pumalo po siya ng 88. Or 89 pala. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung downloads, yung upload speed. Download speed pala yung kanina. So, upload speed is 92 and counting. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, so download speed is 89 Mbps and upload speed is 91 Mbps. Okay, so nakita po niyo, tagumpay po yung ating pong activity sa pagne-network po sa patch panel.
If may mga topics po kayo na gustong malaman po at mapag-aralan, please type it in our comment box upang gawan po natin iyan ng ating video. Don't forget to like our video, click the subscribe button at notification bell para makareceive kayo ng updates sa ating mga upcoming video. That's all for now and see you in our next video.